Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. My name is Pavel and today we'll be diving into the world of basic computer skills. In today's digital age, having a solid understanding of these skills is more important than ever. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, being able to navigate a computer effectively is a necessity. Today we'll discuss, basically we'll start from the overview of today's topic, then we'll start understanding the operating system, and then we'll move to basic software applications, internet browsing, email basics. We'll make a conclusion, of course, and gather some feedback later. Basic computer skills can help us communicate more effectively, assess and manage information, and even open up new opportunities for learning and career advancement. They are the foundation upon which we can build more advanced technical skills. In this video, we'll be covering several key areas. We'll start by exploring the operating system, which is the software that manages all of the hardware and software on your computer. We'll then move on to basics of computer software applications, including word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software. We'll also cover the basics of internet browsing, including how to use a web browser, search for information, and stay safe online. Finally, we'll touch on the basics of using email, a crucial tool for communication in our modern world. So whether you're completely new to computers or just looking to brush up on your skills, this video is right for you. Let's get started on this journey together. Let's start it from the basic computer skills, and let's start from the understanding of what an operating system is. It's oftenly abbreviated as an OS, which is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes, as well as all of its software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer's language. There are several different types of operating systems. The most common ones you'll encounter are Windows, macOS, and Linux. Windows, developed by Microsoft, is the most widely used operating system. macOS is the operating system used on Apple computers, while Linux is mostly a free and open source operating system that's popular in enterprise environments and among tech enthusiasts. Now let's talk about the basic navigation of an operating system. Regardless of which one you're using, there are some common tasks you'll need to know how to do it. These include opening and closing applications, managing files and folders, and adjusting settings. To open an application, you can usually find it in the Start menu of Windows, the Application folder on macOS, or the Applications menu on Linux. To close an application, you can usually click the X in the top right corner on Windows and Linux, or the red dot in the top left corner on macOS. Managing files and folders involves creating, renaming, moving, and deleting files and folders. This is typically done through a file explorer like File Explorer on Windows, or Finder on macOS, or Files on Linux. Adjusting settings involves changing the configuration of the operating system or an application to suit your preferences. This could include changing the desktop background, adjusting the volume, or setting up a printer. These are just the basics, but they're important foundation for using a complete computer effectively. As you become more comfortable with these tasks, you'll find that you're able to use your computer more efficiently and effectively. Moving on from the operating system, let's delve into some basics of software applications that are essential for various tasks. These include word processing software, spreadsheet software, and presentation software. Firstly, word processing software, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, is used to create, edit, format, and print text documents. These can range from simple notes to complex reports or even books. Basic functions include creating a new document, typing text formatting the text with different font size and colors, and saving your document to a specific location on your computer or in the cloud. Next, we have spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. These are used to organize, analyze, and store data in tabular form. You can create a new spreadsheet, enter data into cells, and use formulas to perform calculations on that data. You can also create charts and graphs to visually represent your data. Lastly, presentation software such as Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides is used to create slideshows for presentations. You can create a new presentation, add slides, insert text and images, and apply transitions and animations. These presentations can be used for everything from business meetings to academic lectures to personal photos, slideshows. Each of these software applications has its own set of features and functions, but they all share some common elements. They all allow you to create, save, and open files, and they all have tools for editing and formatting content. By learning how to use these applications, you'll be well equipped to handle a wide range of tasks on your computer. Let's now turn our attention to the internet, a vast network of networks that connects computers all over the world. The internet allows us to access a wealth of information and services, from news and entertainment to shopping and local or social networking. To access the internet, we use a software application called a web browser. Some of the most common web browsers include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Edge. Each browser has its own features and strengths, but they all allow you to navigate the internet. Basic browsing skills include entering URLs or web addresses into the browser's address bar to visit specific websites. You can also use search engines like Google or Bing to find information on the internet. When you find a website or page that you want to visit, you can bookmark it for easy access later. Hyperlinks or links are a fundamental part of the web. They are usually highlighted in some way, often with a different color or underlining, and clicking on them will take you to a different web page or a different part of the same web page. Internet safety is also a crucial part of using the web. It's important to recognize secure websites, especially when entering sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers. Look for HTTPS at the beginning of the web address and a padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading files from untrusted sources, as these can lead to phishing scams. And always use strong, unique passwords for your online accounts. By mastering these basic internet browsing skills, you'll be able to use the web safely and effectively. Finally, let's discuss email, which is a fundamental tool for communication in the digital age. Email, short for electronic mail, is a method of exchanging messages and files over the internet. It's used for everything from personal correspondence to professional communication to receive newsletters and notifications from various services. Creating an email account is the first step. There are many free email services available, including Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook. When you create an account, you'll choose an email address that will be your unique identifier. Once you have an email account, you can start sending and receiving emails. To send an email, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address. Write your message and then click send. You can also add a subject or CC or BCC other recipients. To receive an email, simply check your inbox. Most email services will notify you when you have new messages. Attaching files to an email is a common task. These could be a document or spreadsheet or presentation, a photo, or any other types of a file. Look for a button or link that says attach or shows a paperclip icon. Organizing your emails can help you keep track of your messages and find important emails more easily. You can create folders or labels to categorize your emails, and you can use filters to automatically sort incoming emails. Email itself is a powerful tool, and knowing how to use it effectively is a crucial computer skill. With practice, you'll be able to use email to communicate efficiently and professionally. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to recap what we've just covered. We started with the understanding of the operating system, the backbone of your computer, and learned how to navigate it effectively. We then moved on to basic software applications, where we explored word processing, spreadsheet, and presentation software and their key functions. We also delved into the world of internet browsing, understanding how to navigate the web, use search engines, bookmark pages, and ensure our safety online. Finally, we discussed email, and which is a vital tool for communication in today's digital world, and learned how to create an account, send and receive messages, attach files, and organize our inbox. These basic computer skills are not just important, they are essential in our increasingly digital world. They can help you communicate more effectively, access and manage information, and even open up new opportunities for learning and career advancement. Remember, like any other skill, proficiency comes with practice. So don't hesitate to explore, experiment, and practice these skills. And most importantly, continue learning. The world of technology is always evolving, and there are always something to learn. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to helping you further develop your computer skills in our upcoming videos. Happy learning! Um, as we conclude this video, we'd love to hear back from you. Have you been learning basic computer skills? What has your experience been like? Do you have any tips or trick that you found helpful? Please share your thoughts and experience in the comments section below. We also welcome your questions and suggestions. If there is a topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, or if you have a question about something we've discussed today don't hesitate to let us know. We are here to help you on your learning journey, and your input can help us make our content even better. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future videos. We have a lot more educational content coming your way, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next videos.